Farmer Mike outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I am so impressed with HumiSoil. You know, after Stan dropped it off a couple of months ago, the first day we put some of that HumiSoil into these raised garden beds.
Like, I've got some HumiSoil, and this stuff is originally developed by an Australian guy. It's in 30 countries all over the world, but the point is, it's an inoculant. It's not really plant food. It's designed to change the culture of bacteria and fungi in the soil.
I'm so impressed with HumiSoil. You know, after Stan dropped it off a couple of months ago, the first day we put some of that HumiSoil into these raised garden beds. Wow, look how healthy these look. Look at that. Look how healthy. Oh, HumiSoil. That's that compost. And in contrast, let's look at some of the other vegetation around here. Okay. And just completely barren. Farmer Mike live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm with a HumiSoil update in December. See you in the next video.